Welcome back. I want to show you how to schedule your live. This is something that I've been doing and it's helped my followers stay informed in what it is I'm going to be talking about that week, and it actually gets me more engagement. Let me take you to my phone, and don't forget to like this video if it helps you. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a live video on Instagram. Increases my engagement for my live videos. Actually super simple. You're going to go to your profile, click that small little plus sign, which brings you to this screen. You're going to go to live, press that live, and then you're going to schedule it. Once you schedule that, obviously you can see how it looks when I'm just about to go live. I'm going to pick the video title. This is important because you want to make sure to make it enticing. Okay, so pick that title, pick the time, something that is convenient to your audience, and you're going to press done. Once you press done, it's going to be scheduled. Super exciting. That's great, but you're not done there. I suggest that if you can, prepare something to share as post. So this is going to be the next screen that you get right after your live video is scheduled. So press share as post, and this screen will come up. It's going to say, hey, your post is going to show the time and date. So all you're going to do is press OK and pick your photo that you're going to schedule for your post. Super simple. This is what your next screens will look like. So you're going to write your caption. It could be something about you. It could be a little reminder, but you can see right under the tag that live video scheduling time will show up, which is super cool. So just act like it's a regular post, like write your caption, tag the people you need to tag, add the location, but that is just an extra little thing that comes up on your post. Let me show you how it looks. Once you schedule it and you're about to post it, right there on the lower left corner, you can see the little time. Your feed, it will have a little reminder bell on there as well. If you do that, you can, let's say that you don't want to promote it anymore, or you have to cancel, which I hope that you don't, but let's say you have to cancel it, you can just go to edit and delete live video. Super simple. One last tip that I have for you is that right when you see it on your profile, right there, it's scheduled, it's time to go live, all you're going to do is press it. And once you press it, it will tell you like, okay, it's time to go live. So we can do this. If it's past like 15 minutes of the live, it won't let you go live anymore. You have to be on time for the live video. When I go on stories, I like to screenshot that live and paste it as on a little sticker just to remind people like, hey, don't forget that I have a live video about ABC and I need you to make sure to be on time. I schedule my live videos on Instagram, and don't forget to watch the how to go live on Instagram. And no, it's not just about pressing the live button. It's about how to keep the attention of your followers and viewers. I'll see you in the next video.